In this video, I'm going to talk about what is molarity and how we can calculate molarity for compound and also for ions. Molarity is a unit for concentration of solution, which is equals to mole of solute per volume of solution. But the volume unit should be liter. So we can write this formula in this form. Molarity M is equals to number of mole, we normally show it by N, and volume with V. This is the formula for calculation of molarity. I'm going to explain the molarity concept by solving 8 different problems in this video. For first problem, what is the molarity of sodium hydroxide solution contain 3.45 mole of sodium hydroxide in 750 milliliter of solution? So we have mole N is equals to 3.45 and we have volume 750 milliliter, but we need to convert it to the liter because in formula we should use liter. So molarity is equals to mole over volume. Mole is 3.45 and volume is 0.750. The answer is equals to 4.60 mole per liter. That's the unit for molarity. Here is a second example. What is the molarity of sodium hydroxide in a solution containing 69.2 gram of sodium hydroxide? And also we have the molar mass for sodium hydroxide in 346 milliliter of solution. In this question, we don't have mole, but we have gram of compound, so we can easily calculate mole. So we have 69.2 gram sodium hydroxide times 1 mole sodium hydroxide, 40 gram sodium hydroxide. These grams, they cancel each other. So 69.2 divided by 40 is equals to 1.73 mole. So right now we have mole. This is mole of solute. We also have volume. It's equals to 346 milliliter. We need to convert it to liter by dividing by 1000. So it's 0.346 liter. Then molarity is equals to mole per volume. So mole is 1.73 and volume is 0.346 liter. And the answer is equals to 5.00 mole per liter. For question number 3, what is the molarity of silver nitrate in a solution containing 79.9 gram of silver nitrate in 1.25 liter of solution? Again, we have gram of solute, not mole. So we need to convert it to the mole using molar mass. If we don't have molar mass in question, we need to use periodic table to calculate it. So 79.9 gram silver nitrate times 1 mole silver nitrate is equals to 169.9 gram. The answer is equals to 0.470 mole. So right now we have mole. N is equals to 0.470. We also have volume 1.25 liter. So molarity is equals to mole per liter, which is 0.470 divided by 1.25 liter, and the answer is 0.376 mole per liter. Here is question number 4. How many moles of lithium bromide are present in 75.3 milliliter of 0.396 molar lithium bromide solution? This question is a little different. We have molarity right now. It is 0.396 mole per liter. We also have volume, which is 75.3 milliliter. If I divide it by 1000, so 1000 milliliter is 1 liter, it will be 0.0 0.075 liter. So we have volume, we have molarity, and the question asks how many moles. So molarity is equals to N over V. If we cross multiplying, then N is equals to molarity times volume. Molarity is equals to 0.396 and volume is 0.0753, and the answer is equals to 0.0298 mole lithium bromide. For question number 5, how many grams of NaHCO3 or sodium bicarbonate are required to prepare 637.5 milliliter of a 0.93 molar solution? So in this question, we have volume 637.5 milliliter or 0.6375 liter. We also have molarity 0.93 mole per liter. And question asked about grams of solute, not mole. But from molarity and volume, we are able to find mole. Then we can convert mole to gram. So again, we can write mole is equals to molarity times volume. Molarity is 0.93 and volume is 0.6375. The answer is equals to 0.59 mole for sodium bicarbonate. Right now we have mole, we can convert it to the gram by using molar mass. So 0.59 mole times. Regarding the molar mass, 1 mole of sodium bicarbonate is equals to 84.0 gram. So mole and mole, they cancel out. The answer is equals to 49.56, but we should round it to two significant figures because here we have only two. So the actual answer should be 50 gram sodium bicarbonate. In question number 6, what volume of 0.330 molar potassium iodide solution contains 45.3 gram of potassium iodide? Again, we have molarity is equals to mole over volume. Molarity is equals to 0.33. We don't have volume. We also don't have mole, but we can find it from gram of compound. So first we need to find mole. 45.3 gram of potassium iodide times 1 mole of potassium iodide is equals to 166 gram of potassium iodide. So grams are cancelled out and the answer is 0.273 mole. Right now we have mole and we have molarity, we can find volume. If we cross multiplying again, N is equals to molarity times volume. If we divided both sides by molarity, then the formula is volume is equals to N over molarity. We are also able to find the answer from stoichiometry of solution, which I explained it in another video. So N is equals to 0.273 and molarity is 0.33. The answer is equals to 0.827 liter or 827 milliliter. Question number 7 is about molarity of ions, not compound. What is the molar concentration of sodium ions in a 0.65 molar sodium phosphate solution? So solving this type of problem is actually very easy. We just need to have the conversion factor. 1 mole of sodium phosphate, or let's say just 1 unit of sodium phosphate, it's including 3 sodium atom or 3 sodium cation. So instead of mole, we can also say that 1 molar sodium phosphate it's equals to 3 molar sodium cation. Because number of particle is triple for sodium, all we should do is multiplying molarity of sodium phosphate by 3. Then we have answer 1.95 molar for sodium cation. And here is the last example. What is the concentration of chloride ion in a solution prepared by dissolving of 39 gram calcium chloride in enough water to produce 500 milliliter of solution? So we have the volume of solution 500 milliliter or 0.500 liter. For finding molarity, first we need to convert gram of calcium chloride to mole. So 39 gram calcium chloride times 1 mole calcium chloride, it's 110.98 gram calcium chloride. Gram of calcium chloride, they cancel out. But in question, we don't want mole of calcium chloride. We want mole of chloride. Based on this formula, calcium chloride, one calcium chloride unit, it has 2 mole of chloride when it dissolves in water. So we can write that 1 mole calcium chloride is equals to 2 mole of Cl negative. So the answer is equals to 0.702 mole of chloride. Then molarity for chloride is equals to mole of chloride over volume. Mole is 0.702 over 0.500 liter. The answer is 1.40 mole per liter for chloride. Thank you for watching this video. For watching more video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.